Welcome once again to the drama.
Wagwan people.
Wagwan. We've been getting some questions and we've been going over them. Hey, anyway, thanks for the comments. Massive amount of comments. Thanks for the subscription. Yeah, we're trying to get up to
500?
Yeah, we're trying to get up to 500 subscribers, so I want you to help us with that. So a lot of people have been asking us that we look so we look happy. Thank you. I mean, we do work on it, to make sure everybody's okay, everybody's represented, and everybody's comfortable in this relationship. Yeah. And then people started asking us if we worry about anything. Are you serious? We worry about everything. So,
all we do is worry, first of all.
Yeah.
We worry first.
Yeah, definitely. So we're gonna look at some of the things that keep us up at night.
Yes. These are things that we go over, not only just all the time, but today, for real.
Yeah. And then sometimes it's just not even the things themselves, but it's just the concept of them.
Yeah.
Because
realistically speaking, how could you go on and try and take a good rest knowing that these niggas got lost in the desert for 40 years?
40 years. Oh yeah, they in the Bible there, 40 years traveling in the desert. That worries us because we're thinking like, where were they coming from and exactly where were they going? 40 years traveling in the desert. You could probably walk to Jamaica from here. I'm back.
First of all, ain't no way you walking that many people for 40 years and you lost. After the first 45 minutes, everybody like, wait a minute, hold on, Pam. Do you really know where you're going?
Yeah, 40 years in the desert thing. Yeah. We ain't feeling that. Yeah. So that's one of the things that worries us. Like, 40 years? Where are you going?
Ain't no way, bro.
Yeah.
Ain't no way you're gonna lock somebody or get lost in the desert for 30 years or 40 years and just say y'all was camping. It's okay. It's okay. We just stayed in the desert for 40 years.
But let's not say you're traveling for 40 years.
Lost. Don't say you lost.
And we're referring to the desert trek in the Bible, in the pursuit of the promised land. Yeah, 40 years, yeah. Another one what I thought about was like the whole concept of right and wrong, good and evil that's gone through the door. It's just everybody just basically choose a side these days for whatever reason, whether it's religion, whether you're Christian, whether you're Jewish or Muslim or whatever. Good and bad, right and wrong is no longer a thing, and that definitely keep us up like, oh my God,
I'll caution to the wind.
Yeah, no morality. It's just like, okay, this is my side. I know, okay, my side gotta win.
I feel like there needs to be a balance, which we work on our balance.
Oh yeah, emotional balance, social balance, yeah. So those are things that we find like really important as far as that's concerned.
Yeah, and I feel like another one would be that we've been left on the edge of the galaxy alone, together, on this planet. Like, are we a virus? Like, is it us as people? Do we need to evaluate? Because I feel like we do. Ain't no way.
Yeah, that's another weird thing too. It's like, as Earthlings, so to speak, we have no neighbors. We're just on this planet, and there is no other planet. No matter how close the planet is, it's not livable, and there's just no neighbors. It's like, if that's really true, it's as if like somebody really don't like us. They just like, you know what? Put them over there. Yeah, let them stay over there because they're gonna start blowing shit up pretty soon.
Just let them have at each other. Yeah. At this point, they're just inconsolable.
Yeah. So we think about that a lot.
Yes, which does that mean this is hell? Like, this is a version of...
It's like we're already kicked to the curve.
Yeah, like...
Yeah.
Ain't no way, bro.
Which one?
Tupac. The Beloved.
Oh, yeah. Where is Tupac buried? Yeah, that we worry about that.
Because...
It's like, it makes no sense.
Especially when Jada recently said that she has his ashes.
Yeah.
Was he buried? Where is he buried?
Yeah, Jada cap, anyway.
Who went to the funeral? Did y'all go to the funeral? Because I didn't go to the funeral. Did you get invited to the funeral? What was the day? Did anybody have an obituary?
And even if he is dead, and even if he, but the point still remains, where's Tupac buried? Like, seriously.
Which leads me to my next theory that he is not buried. Sipping daiquiris.
But even if he's alive, yeah, I mean, you can't win, because what we're saying is, even if we say, okay, Tupac, where is he buried? Like, seriously, I've never thought about that? Come on.
Keeps us up at night.
Okay. That's really, really weird. We're not going to get into that, because we've had several arguments in regards to that, so we're just going to leave that alone. All I was going to say is, where's Tupac buried?
Yeah, that could get deep. So, he recently made me very much aware, because it's stuff that you don't really think about, right? But Dominican Republic and Haiti are technically on the same landmass, right?
The same landmass. Dominican Republic and Haiti, same island. It's just a border. Same island. Okay.
So, that being said, you also mentioned some shaking up.
Yeah. So hold on. Check this out. Say. Alright. So say for example, Jamaica somehow gets divided into two, not separate landmass, but just a border. You know, say just a border. And then all of a sudden, the side of that border that contains Kingston just keeps on shaking from earthquake. But the other side, let's say, will contain like Negril, nothing happens.
Right.
Don't you think that's kind of strange? You've never thought about that? That keep us up at night. So one island, because usually islands are formed, it's almost like an ice cream cone where you have the bottom, right? That a cone, right? And then you have the landmass coming, and there's one landmass that's constantly shaking from earthquake, but the other side is just cool. You wouldn't worry about that?
Are they manufactured? What is going on?
What is going on? That's just like the wickedest one of all. I can't. There's no way anybody can explain that to me.
Facts.
Scientifically or any artifically. Yeah, no, seriously. If you feel like there's an explanation that we're missing, let us know. Yeah.
Put that in the comments.
Dominican Republic, Haiti, same landmass, one island. There's just a border, and Haiti keeps on shaking. There's just no economic stability, no social stability, everything. Every day is an earthquake. But Dominican Republic, cool. Nobody think about that? You need to start thinking. Start doing your homework. Trust me. It ain't all about going to work.
You gotta watch it out. You gotta watch out. You know what I'm saying? See what's going on in the world. What they doing to other folks out here.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is a good one.
Which one?
Why do we act like we don't know who Dirty Diana is?
Oh, Dirty Diana, yeah. You know, Michael Jackson, Dirty Diana. Come on, we know who Dirty Diana is.
Who is Dirty Diana?
If you know who Dirty Diana is in Michael Jackson's song Dirty Diana, if you feel like you know, drop us a line in the comment and we'll see. We won't even gonna say anything else. But if you think you know who Dirty Diana is, drop us a line and we'll comment on it and see exactly what's going on. We want to know if we're ahead of the pack or we're just the one only just doing the voicing.
You know what I'm saying? Let us know.
Which one?
Driverless cars?
Driverless cars, yeah, that's the word. I don't know if you've ever been in traffic and look over and see a driverless car. Yeah, that's frightening.
I feel like not so much the driverless car is frightening. It's like what happened if we get into an accident?
Right, but I've seen them cutting off. I've seen driverless cars cutting off other drivers.
I haven't seen them cutting it off. I've seen them get cut off, but I haven't seen them.
No, I've seen them literally cutting off. Like, seriously, I'm thinking like, what? Shit. I don't know. It's like, it's just crazy. It's like, who do you call? I mean, if you see a driverless car bobbing and weaving in the lane, well, what's gonna happen? You gonna call 911? Said you have a drunken driver in front of you? That worries me.
Out of control bot.
Yeah, I'm just not comfortable with that. The driverless car thing. And I like in here is one of the states that it's like one of the beta states in terms of like driverless cars.
Yeah.
So we see them all the time. They pull up all the time, and it's just not comforting.
I don't know. I think they're kind of cool.
Cool, yeah, but just not comforting. You know what I mean?
I feel like once we like figure it out and work out the bugs, you know what I'm saying? If you really think about it, I want the Jetson life minus the whole sitting in traffic, because that never made sense to me. How they like literally they were in the flying in the sky, but they would be in traffic line.
In traffic line, just to see him.
Yeah, so it's a mental thing. Traffic is here. Y'all want to sit in my way. Y'all want me to speed past you.
No, but the thing is, you can't get out of traffic, whether you're flying or whatever. Even airlines, your planes have traffic. So,
which doesn't make sense.
This is a life that we're just basically designed for us to sit and wait
and just do stupid shit.
Mm-hmm.
Just
sit and wait.
I'm a wait hater personally. It's just me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's move on. The next thing, this personally keeps me up nights. Most nights, really. Killer whales.
Killer whales.
Orcas. They're so incredibly fucking cute.
Yeah, we meet up on killer whales all the time. Like, wow, man, there goes a killer whale.
See, it's not the point of being run up by Willie. Because you've seen the movie too. They freed him. He had the ability the whole time.
Yeah. But why did they free Willie though? He's a killer. Why?
I feel like he threatened somebody.
Do not.
It's that Willie out here free, and he remember what happened. Okay, he remember what he's seen in there.
Right.
And he's coming. Like, how many people really do get offed by killer whales?
Killer whales. And they're very intelligent too.
Incredibly. Yes. Their gang members are.
I'm not really scared of them because I'm not into the open sea kind of thing. But no, not to mention it, man. They should never free Willie.
You know what I'm saying?
They ain't gonna free Willie.
But you know what? I feel like the ones in captivity, they just be messing with people. Because realistically speaking, they drown a lot of those trainers and kill them. Yeah. Like, I don't even think they eat them. They just like drown them.
Oh yeah.
So the point is,
all Willie needed is to say, I'm gonna drown this trainer today. Yeah. No, for real. That's some serious thing. They probably.
And y'all just be going to SeaWorld watching people potentially might get drowned before you.
Oh yeah. I'm sure they probably kind of hide that too. Yeah, a lot of people get injured and drowned.
Yeah, so free Willie or don't, they're rolling up on you regardless of what you see. Because I feel like they're smarter than.
They're smarter than most people, if not all of us.
Yeah. So. Yeah. So those are just a few things that keep us up at night. We're going to catch y'all on the next one. So,
peace. Take care of each other. And remember to subscribe.